Nature, with its millions of years of evolution, has perfected solutions to countless challenges. By looking to the natural world, engineers and designers can find inspiration for innovative and efficient technologies. Drones, in particular, have benefited greatly from biomimicry. Here are a few examples of nature-inspired drone designs. Flapping wing drones. Inspired by birds and insects. Increased maneuverability, quieter operation, and potential for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. The MetaFly drone, developed by researchers at the University of Washington, is a tiny, flapping wing drone that can fly indoors and outdoors. Perching drones. Inspired by birds and insects. Benefit ability to land on various surfaces, including branches and buildings. The Snag, stereotyped nature-inspired aerial grasper, drone from Stanford University, is designed to perch on surfaces like a bird. Camouflage drones, inspired by chameleons and octopuses. Increased stealth and reduced detection. Researchers are exploring ways to create drones that can change color or texture to blend in with their surroundings. Swarm drones. Inspired by bees, ants, and birds. Enhanced coordination, increased efficiency, and ability to perform complex tasks collectively. Companies like Zipline and Matternet are developing drone swarms for delivery and logistics applications. Adaptive drones, inspired by animals that can adapt to changing environments, increased resilience and ability to operate in challenging conditions. Researchers are exploring ways to create drones that can adjust their flight patterns or payload based on weather conditions or obstacles. Some innovative uses of drones are crop inspection infrastructure inspection delivery services, search and rescue, wildlife, conservation, innovative and trending technologies related to drones, drone swarms and coordination beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, operations, urban air mobility, UAM, autonomous package delivery, drone, racing and sports drone, education and training. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative drone designs inspired by the natural world. Biomimicry offers a rich source of inspiration for creating drones that are more efficient, sustainable, and capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel to encourage us to cover more innovative topics.